So a range check is where you want to check something is within a range. So straight away with this, it's important to know that you need the input to be an integer. So if I take age, for example, and I'll do input, enter age, you're going to want that to be an integer because you can't check for a range on a string unless it's like a length check. So you're checking the length of the string you can do. But I think I kind of covered that in the presence check. It's just obviously you're changing it from 0. So I took my age as an input. I then want to say while age is less than, I don't know, 10, or age is greater than 100, print, sorry that age is invalid, and then ask for their age again. So this is obviously a type of range check where I'm only accepting ages between 11 and 99. I don't know what this would be for, but you get the idea. If I run it, enter age, so if I enter 300, sorry that's invalid, and again I could press enter and break it because I've not done any sort of presence check with this or anything, but you saw that in the previous video. If I enter something that is valid, it will pass. I probably should do a print here so you can see. Print program continues. So I've broken out of the while loop here. So if I was to run this, enter age, if I do 300, okay, and if I break it, you can see it's broken, it's killed my program, but it's not run that, it's not continue with the code. If I type something in that's valid, 30, it says program continues and it will carry on. That's a way of validating an input based on a range.